New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
The Ford Expedition gives you more power for more doing, more room for more bringing, more technology for more connecting. It's all there, ready to change your world. Choose from 3 models, the XLT, Limited, and the top-of-the-line Platinum. Each is available in regular and max body lengths. With a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 delivering up to 480 pound-feet of torque, your Expedition has the guts to take on any adventure, and its 10-speed transmission keeps the engine in its sweet spot, so all that power is always on tap. Your Expedition lets you live large with up to 121 cubic feet of cargo space. And remember all that torque? It translates to 9,300 pounds of best-in-class towing capability. And available Pro Trailer Backup Assist means you'll look forward to your turn at the boat landing. Sync 3 is available to bring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to an 8-inch touchscreen. Get Sync Connect and turn your Expedition into a Wi-Fi hotspot. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build an Expedition that's all yours. The Ford Expedition, when you're ready to live large.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.